My project will focus on an artistic expression of innocence versus racism. Trayvon Martin was a teenager fatally victimized by racism. Unfortunately, it's a common experience and reality for Black youth in America. The statue, which is a representation of Trayvon Martin cloaked under netting, houses childlike objects reminiscent of an earlier time for a kid, a time of innocence. This is a direct contrast to the way that Trayvon was portrayed in society. The presentation makes the exhibit become interactive by sharing similar, thinly veiled objects. The app makes this interactive by allowing the viewer to discover the exhibit through a series of button clicks. There is also information about the nationwide crisis of racism revealed. The artist, Nick Cave, wanted to express the contrast of uncontrolled violence against an African American boy who was still in puberty. Pieces are highlighted throughout the presentation in order to reveal the context of its inclusion with the mannequin. This piece is an opportunity for the viewer to become aware of racial violence and injustice in America. And it all starts with this sign.